Hey guys, good morning. Just taking a little break here from starting up everything with the business, and it's a lot of work, but I love every component of it. It's not easy doing a lot your own, but like I said, I figured I'd kind of go a little step further and just not make it my personal space, but one day to have a space to uplift the community and help people with their fitness and nutrition journey and guide people along the way. So, welcome back to my fuel bar. I'm gonna show you guys a beautiful, delicious, muscle building protein coffee recipe. One thing to keep in mind with blenders, depending if you have like one of those food blenders that can withstand the heat, fine. But one thing you want to do is make sure the liquid cools down a bit. It's not going to be piping hot, but it's still going to be a nice warm coffee. If you want on those hot summer days, which are far and few in between right now, but you can definitely throw some ice in there and make an iced protein coffee, which are awesome. But I'm doing a warm coffee today, so whatever you have in your kitchen, it's sky's the friggin' limit, man. Like you can make anything with this. You could add flavors, build flavors, keep it simple. I like a layer of flavors, so I'm gonna go a little bit crazy here, but it's gonna be awesome. So, like I said, this kind of was just made, so I'm gonna let it cool for a minute. So, the flavors that we're going to be using in this today, if you don't have these flavors, no big deal. But if you have like a supplement, if you have a whey protein, vanilla is always my go-to. It's versatile. You can use it in anything. Um, Chocolate, of course, is another simple flavor that you can use. You can build off that. So I don't have my tripod here, so I'm gonna move you guys around a bit. So I'm sure everybody in their pantry has cinnamon. So what we're going to do here, and as I'm talking, I'm going to let this cool down, of course, because I don't want it to explode in my blender when I take the blender blade off. So we're doing cinnamon. This is kind of like oh, I have to give it a name. It's going to be on my menu, of course. So I'm going to have just regular coffees, and then I'm going to have my specialty coffees, which is your protein coffees. So this is a specialty coffee, of course. So we got cinnamon, dark cacao powder. Try and go for 85% or better. A lot of health benefits in that. So a couple of shakes in each. Now I'm obsessed with vanilla. I love vanilla, so I'm using just a little bit of vanilla extract. Just probably like 2 drops. So like an eighth of a teaspoon. It's powerful. Then I've got like my flavored syrups, my sugar-free flavored syrups. I've got mocha, caramel brulee, and vanilla. So I'm going for like a vanilla chocolate kind of coffee here. So we got the vanilla extract. Now we're doing the mocha. Again, this is super, super concentrated, if you will. So I might have put a little too much in there, but that's okay. Some people, you have to be careful with sweeteners. Sometimes it's hard to digest. Sometimes it might mess with your gut flora, so just use a little bit. With this recipe, you can add sugar-free maple syrup, full flavored maple syrup. Honey, of course, is a great addition. And another little unique touch I'm going to do to this. It's not weird. It's different weird. I am adding. I'm going to do. Just gives it a little bit of a nutty flavor. 1 heaping teaspoon of powdered peanut butter. And actually, you can use natural peanut butter if you'd like to. And then, so we got the vanilla and the mocha. and a little bit of cacao. I told you guys it's going to be one heck of a concoction, but man, good for you. So we're doing 30 grams of vanilla milkshake flavored whey isolate. There we go. And by the time you do all that, like I said, wait a couple minutes or less for your coffee to cool off, whether you're doing fresh brew or your machine. Try and let it cool down. It's cooled right down quite significantly, so that's good. So we're going to pop the lid on. It should be fine by now, but like I'll show you. Well, I don't want to show you that. It's going to explode, but. So we're going to blast it a couple times. And when you're blasting it, just do it in like 5-second increments, not even. It won't take much. And that's the other thing too. Try and leave a lot of room. Like my recommendation, use about 8 ounces of coffee. So see it kind of expanded a bit. So open the lid slowly. But like I said, if you have enough room in here, you should be okay. And in the cup we go. Look at that. Look at that. Follow me for some more great tips and recipes. Keep grinding. Love y'all.